Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO Reno4 and let me show you how to enable TalkBack mode on this device. So actually now we've got this mode on, so this is the best situation to show you how to navigate, how to swipe and actually how to use this mode. So first of all, let me show you how to enter the app, for example the settings. First of all, we have to tap on it. You'll see a green frame and you will receive a feedback. Actually, your device will tell you what the settings include, and in order to enter the settings, you have to double tap. And as you can see, we are in the settings menu. Now let me show you how to swipe. We will have to use 2 fingers to do that. You can do it this way or this way, but in my opinion the first option is much easier. So now in order to turn off the TalkBack, we have to swipe and find additional settings. Now let's tap on it, green frame, double tap. Now let's scroll a little, find the accessibility, tap on it, double tap. And here we've got the TalkBack, so let's tap on it, double tap, click on the switcher, double tap, tap on turn off and double tap. And as you can hear, the TalkBack is off. What's more, you can customize this mode. We can freely tap on the settings, and here we've got a lot of options to customize. For example, we can decide if we want to feel the vibration feedback. We can set the gestures, so we can decide what we want to do after swiping right or swiping left and right. It's up to you how you want to set it. So that's all actually. In order to turn on the TalkBack, if you want, just tap on the switcher here. Now your device is telling you that the TalkBack needs to have full control of your device, so it needs to monitor your operations, retrieve window content, turn on explore by touch, monitor the text you type, control display magnification and fingerprint gestures. So if you're ready, click on OK. And as you can hear, the TalkBack is on. Let me turn it off. So that's all. This is how to enable the TalkBack mode in your OPPO Reno4. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.